Hello children, welcome to Learn with Fun. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Safety Habits. In this chapter we are going to learn what are the safety rules to be followed at home, on road, while traveling, while playing, at school, and some exercises and activities on this chapter. What is safety? Safety means learn to protect oneself from any harm. Carelessness may cause accidents. Accidents can happen anytime or anywhere. It may be on road or home, classrooms or anywhere else. We need to be careful to avoid accidents. We need to follow some safety habits and obey some safety rules to avoid accidents. This will save us and others from getting hurt. Now in this chapter, we are going to learn some safety habits and some safety rules to be followed in our daily life. Many rules have been made for our safety. Always follow safety rules at home, school and playground. If everyone follows safety rules, there will be very few accidents and we all will be safe. Children, here are some safety rules for you to follow. Please listen carefully. Safety at home. Fire and electricity is very useful to us, but they can be dangerous. So we have to be very careful while using them. Never play with electrical wires, switches or sockets. You can get electric shock. Never play with matchstick and firecrackers. Knives, scissors and blades are used in every home, but we can get hurt if we are not careful while using them. Do not fly kites on the roof. You can fall from the roof and get hurt. Don't light a gas stove on your own. You may burn yourself. Don't touch the pesticides or insecticides as they are poisonous. Don't play outdoor games inside the home as you can hurt yourself or break the things. Don't leave the toys on the floor as you may trip over them. A road is a path for vehicles such as cars, buses, rickshaws, motorcycles, trucks and taxis. Roads in the cities and towns can be busy because many people live in cities. There is a lot of traffic. Traffic moves very fast. So, be careful while crossing the road. Children, here are some safety rules to be followed on the road. While you are walking on the road, you have to follow these rules. Always walk on the footpath. Always keep to the left while you walk. If there is no footpath, walk on side of the road facing the traffic. Don't play on or near the road. Never play behind a parked vehicle. And also never play or run on the road. Some safety rules to be followed while crossing the road. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. While crossing the road, first look to the right, then to the left, then again to your right, and if the road is clear, then cross the road. Use the subway or skyway to cross the busy road. Children, always be careful while crossing the road. Never cross the road carelessly, understand? Always follow the traffic rules and traffic signals. Follow the traffic signs. Here are some traffic signs. Please observe these carefully and keep this in your mind while crossing the road. Along with traffic signs, you should also learn traffic signals. You must know what is red, what is yellow and what is green in traffic signal. This is the picture of traffic signal. Children, please learn and by heart these signals. This will be very much useful while crossing the road. Here, red means stop. Yellow means ready to go. Green means go. When the signal is given red, then you have to stop. And when the signal is yellow, you must wait. And when the green is given, then you have to go. Here are some safety habits while traveling in a bus or a car. Don't lean out of the window of a moving bus or moving car. Don't walk or run inside a moving bus. You should never disturb the driver while traveling. Children, don't try to get in or out of the moving bus. You should always sit on the back seat in a car. Children, please keep in your mind, remember always to put on the seat belt while traveling in a car. Here are some safety rules which are to be used while playing in your daily life. Listen it carefully. Do not push anyone while playing in the ground. Play a safe game. Do not play tricks on swings. You may fall down. Do not play in dark areas. Never push others from a swing, slide or seesaw. Wait for your turn. Do not play near open manholes. Do not stand near a moving swing. You may fall down. Children, always be careful while swimming. Don't go alone for swimming. Always go with your parents, teacher or a coach. If you don't know how to swim, use a swimming tube. If you need any help, always remember to approach the lifeguard. Safety at school. Do not stand on desks or chairs. And also do not run in the corridors or stairs. While doing so, you will be fall down. Never push others while waiting in a queue or while walking on the stairs. While doing so, you may get injured. So be careful. Children, do you know what is first aid kit? What does it contains? A first aid box contains medicines, bandage and many more things. This is very much important to carry with your personal vehicle. It is required to give immediate help to a patient or an injured person. So don't forget to carry a first aid box when you're traveling. Here are some other safety measures which you all children should follow in your daily life. Don't forget these. Please listen it carefully. Never take eatables or drinks from any strangers. Never scare to late out of your home. Never leave your home without the permission of your parents. Play in a safe place like parks and playgrounds. Never take medicines without asking your parents. This is very much important. Points to remember. Obeying safety rules will keep us safe. So we all must always obey safety rules. We must follow safety rules everywhere. Now here ends this chapter. If you like my explanation, please subscribe and share my channel. Now we will start some exercises on this chapter. Answer the following questions. First one, why do we need to be careful on the road? Tell me the answer. Yes, to avoid accidents. We need to be careful on the road to avoid accidents. Second question, write 2 safety rules for the road. Come on children, Try to answer this. Yes, you can write any of these. Always walk on footpath. Use zebra crossing to cross the road. Never play on road. And yes, there are many rules. You can write any of the three. Third question. Why should you not touch any electrical appliances? Yes, come on. Yes, it may get electric shock. We should not touch any electrical appliances as we might get electric shock. Fourth question. Why should you not lean from the terrace? Yes, we should not lean from the terrace because we may fall down. Fifth question. Why should you keep things in your room at proper places? We should keep things at proper places to avoid trapping or falling down. Now next exercise, write the meaning of each symbol. Tell me the children, what is the symbol is this? No parking. When you see this symbol on the roadside, you should not park your vehicles in and around that symbol. What is this symbol? This symbol indicates school ahead. Now tell me the children, what symbol is this? Yes, this is zebra crossing. Always walk on zebra crossing while crossing the road. What is this symbol? This is no horn. When you see this symbol on the road, you should not sound any horn of your vehicle. It is prohibited. This symbol indicates what? Men at work. When you see this symbol on the road, it understands that some work is going on near that symbol. So be careful while crossing the road. Now next exercise. Tick the right answer. Dash light means wait. What color in the traffic light indicates wait? Yes, yellow color indicates wait. Here yellow is not given. Then what is the right answer? Green? No. Amber. Amber means dark orange yellow. Second one. Always cross the road at the dash of the road. Middle of the road? No. Always walk the road at the zebra crossing. Third one. You might get hurt playing with a blade. You will be hurted while playing with blade, not with doll. You will enjoy playing with doll, right? Yes. Next, fourth one. We should be careful at road. You should never be careless. You should be careful. Next one. Do not go for swimming alone. Go with your parents. Skipping is a game. You enjoy skipping, right? Now, activity. First one, draw or paste 10 different traffic signs and below them write what it means. Just now we have seen some traffic signs, right? Men at work, school ahead, no parking. Like this, there are so many other traffic signs. You just work out in your internet. You will get so many pictures. Those things you have to draw or paste in your book. Now second one, draw and color traffic signals. This also you can do in your paper or notebook. Children, I am giving this activity to you just because you have to know the difference between traffic signs and traffic signals. It is must and should to know these both things while crossing the road. Okay? Please do these activities at your home. Okay children, here ends today's topic, safety habits. Hope you all understand thoroughly about this topic. In the next session, I will meet you with another interesting topic. Till then, subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you and take care of yourself. Bye.